One of the most amazing features of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is its large cover display. This 3.4-inch screen lets you interact with your phone without flipping it open. You can access widgets and some apps on the cover display, such as music, weather, notifications, and more. But the Galaxy Z Flip 6 might have an even more impressive cover display. Ross Young, a display analyst who has a good track record of predicting Samsung's devices, claims that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will have a 3.9-inch cover display. That's a huge increase from the previous model. And it would make the Z Flip 6's cover display bigger than the Motorola Razr's 3.6-inch screen. Young also says that the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's other foldable phone, will have a larger cover display than the Z Fold 5, which has a 6.2-inch screen. However, he doesn't reveal how big the Z Fold 6's cover display will be or what other features it will have. He says we have to wait for his upcoming DSCC report, where he will share more information about Samsung's foldable phones. There's also some noise about the Z Fold 6 getting a makeover with a bigger screen on the outside. It seems Samsung might be taking some cues from the Google Pixel Fold and making a foldable that's a bit wider. That sounds awesome to me, because I found the Pixel Fold way more comfy to hold than Samsung's skinny version. If the Z Fold 6 keeps the same height as the Z Fold 5, that extra width could give us a lot more room to see stuff. But we don't know yet how much bigger it will be. Having a bigger screen on the outside means we can use the phone more without having to unfold it. That's something that the Moto Razr Plus and Z Flip 5 do pretty well. But I hope Samsung lets us run more apps on the outside screen, not just some widgets or hacks. We'll probably hear more details soon, but we'll have to wait until late summer of 2024 to get our hands on the new Samsung foldables. Until then, we can look forward to the Samsung Galaxy S24 launch, which should be in less than 2 months. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.